this energy, Helen.
Every beat he hear, I made it myself.
Your music sounds good.
But I also think, though, Easy, you should take into consideration what the citizens had to offer as well as Sway.
It's Easy Production.
Easy, I'm suck at rocking the stage and increasing my fans. Probably never make a summer jam, the radios will bang. But I can make my mind bleed through a pen. And if he asks Sway in the morning, he say Easy's the man. I'm tired of answering questions I got no answers for. And I'm tired of carrying weight I'm not accounted for. And even though I put success on her pitchfork, she still reference my past to spotlight my downfall. Phony homies and exes will see me regress. Dick and dirt for my past that had me depressed. No, I'm not complicit, I just got no regrets. So if the moment's giving in, I press reset. Now success just parked parallel to all the hate. My credit score reminds me that I'm in a ditch. My ex is screaming loud, nigga, you ain't shit. And if you die today, I swear I'ma celebrate.
Okay, there you go, man. Congratulations, you're in the game and you're also a citizen.
Sway in the morning, brother.
Easy, conquering the odds, with time I got a bet. Gravity I've been defying, death you're not a threat. She said you lost the best love cause it brings a mess. I said in order to lose it, I had to have it first. Keeping my eyes on my rear view, cause haters actually appear closer than they should. They do. I set my breast before I make a move. To God I pay my dues, avoiding praising like a nigga should. Fuck the pen I was dealt, this God work of art. I'm the center for a nigga, you a bookmark. Agitating lights, threading needles in the dark. Mixing fire with flames in a pool of sharks. I done sat beneath it, now I'm staring at it. My next move is to rise above and say fuck it. When I rhyme every time a baby is born, like Tiff Haddish, I'm the last rap unicorn.